Hello again everybody. In this video we're just going to go through the process of installing IntelliJ Community Edition, which is the free version of IntelliJ on a Windows PC. So we'll just go through the process. I was actually installing it on this PC anyway, so I just thought I'd take a wee video. So we're on the JetBrains website here, so jetbrains.com/IDEA, and just going to click into the downloads page here. Now, I'm not going to go for the Ultimate Edition, I'm going to go for the Community Edition, which is free. So what I'm going to do on this page is click into Other Versions, which is on the right hand side here. And then just going to click on, because this is a Windows PC, I'm going to go for the Windows 64 bit version, which I've actually downloaded here. Just going to click Open File, and let's see if we can install this on this PC. Might take a moment. So just be sure it's the Community Edition that you install. Just going to say yes to install the application. Okay, so we'll just work through this bit by bit. So we've got the Welcome to IntelliJ Edition set up, so I can see it's the correct version that I'm installing on the PC. Just going to go through the process, click Next, just choosing the install location, which I'm just going to leave as is. So we'll just go with the defaults again here. Yeah, let's have a desktop shortcut. And I'll probably just leave the other settings as is. You can always go in later and update these in the settings of IntelliJ, but let's just go for the shortcut just now. We'll click Next, and yeah, let's install. Okay, it shouldn't take too long. Obviously, depending on the speed of your PC, this might take a few moments. We might just fast forward this video just to avoid the process of sitting looking at the progress bar. Okay, and that looks like the IntelliJ has installed on this PC. So yeah, let's just click on the option to run IntelliJ. We'll click Finish to finish the installation. And there we go. This is all looking good. We'll just confirm. Obviously, spend some time to read through the terms and conditions, and then you can confirm those and click Continue. And you can choose to send stats off to JetBrains if you wish. I'll just cancel that just now. And yeah, there we are. We've got a fresh installation of IntelliJ, nice and easy. Just to prove that everything is working as it should, we'll just go in and click Create a New Project. Let's do the classic Hello World. Okay, and yeah, we'll add some sample code. And yeah, just to check that everything is oh right. Let's specify an SDK. We'll say yes to this. Okay, I think that is. Let's set up an SDK. Just while I checked that everything was working. So we'll just go. Yeah, we'll just go for version 20 of the SDK. This might involve a restart. Give it a few moments. That's the software development kit for Java. Always good to check these things. Okay, so we can see that that's installing at the bottom. Yeah, that's actually looking okay. Let's see if we can run this project. In fact, there's still some indexing going on there in the background. Okay, again, just giving that a few moments. There we go. And let's see if we can run this project now. We should get hello and welcome appearing in our console. There we go. That's looking pretty good to me. Looks like we've got a formula. We've got an example. So this is the boilerplate code. This is the example code that comes with IntelliJ when you first create a new project. It's basically hello world and a small for loop. And yeah, everything looks pretty good to me. Yeah, so that's just demonstrating the process of installing IntelliJ Community Edition on a PC that doesn't currently have IntelliJ installed. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.